Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who wants to take control of your finances using a simple and visual budgeting method, then you're going to love what I have for you today. I've built a 50-30-20 budget dashboard in Google Sheets, designed to help you track your needs, wants, and savings or debt payments all in one place. So, stick around as I walk you through how this interactive tool works. Let's begin with the setup sheet. Here, you'll enter your basic details like your name and profession. You can also select your currency and choose your calendar's start day and month, perfect for customizing it to your personal budget cycle. Then comes the categories setup table. This is where you predefine all your spending types: bills, expenses, savings, debt, subscriptions, and even notes. This structure makes it super easy to select categories later in the transaction log. Example: you can define electricity as a bill, Test Passed as a savings milestone, and Netflix under subscriptions. Next up, the heart of the dashboard, the transaction log. Here's where you'll record every transaction: date, amount, category, and subcategory. You can also track your progress and leave detailed remarks. Example: on January 10th, you can log $500 in savings under SAV1 with the remark, salary for the month of January. To the right, you'll find a powerful automated panel showing your top 5 all-time highest transactions, with SAV12 leading at $45,000. A donut chart visually displays these top values, making it easy to spot major spending or savings milestones. This log is fully filterable by date, category, and subcategory, making transaction tracking a breeze. Now let's talk about the star of the show. Right at the top, you'll see your needs, wants, and savings debt percentages and their actual amounts. The entire budget is divided and visualized using donut charts and a line graph for your balance overview. In the overview section, you'll find a breakdown of total income, actual versus budgeted expenses, and the leftover amount. Then, the 50-30-20 goal versus real budget breakdown compares your planned targets with your actual spending. This section alone is a game changer in visual budgeting. Example: first, select the month you want to approve from the top cards. Now, specify due date and budget amount for each subcategory. The due date will get highlighted when it is within next 3 days. And the actual amounts in the transaction logs, which will be fetched over here automatically. Now recategorize your subcategories based on needs, wants, and savings. And boom, your 50-30 and 20 dashboard is ready. Now you can visualize your spendings based on needs, wants, and savings statistically, graphically, and also in table view in the right section where top 10 needs, wants, and savings are being fetched from your data. Next is the calendar view. This daily calendar automatically fetches your transactions based on their due dates and categories. It's perfect for planning your month and staying on top of upcoming bills, debts, and savings goals. You can also use the notes section to jot down reminders. And finally, the Quick Search tab is where you can type in any keyword or category to instantly find specific transactions. Great for audits or monthly reviews. Example: type debt 10 and instantly view all its transactions with dates and remarks. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of the 50-30-20 budget dashboard, built entirely in Google Sheets and designed to keep your financial life organized, visual, and stress-free. If you'd like to try this out for yourself, check out the link in the description. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart finance tools like this. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!